I will teach you how to create Facebook ads using your mobile phone. And now remember, with this method you'll be able to use the computer view and be able to maximize all the features of Facebook ads using your mobile phone. So the first thing you want to do right now is you are going to go to your address bar and you're going to go to Chrome. Okay, you are opening your Chrome browser, you go to facebook.com. okay, so once you go to facebook.com, you're going to log into it just in your mobile view. Okay, listen, we have the mobile phone view. So the next thing you want to do right now is you want to click on this place on your screen. Look at this three icon right here. Do you understand? So once you click on that place, then you're actually going to click on request desktop site. Follow my simple instructions, and once you click on desktop site, your actual page is going to reload like this in a computer view. But what if your actual page did not reload like this? The next thing you will do right now is type in web.facebook.com, web.facebook.com, and click on go, and you actually get this page. Okay, so that is that. Now this is the computer view. Now the only downside to using this computer view on your mobile phone is you will have to be zooming. You might have to zoom, do you understand, for you to be able to see some feature, and you can shrink it back for you to be able to see them very well. So let's get on with it. The next thing you want to do right now for you to go to your ads manager is you want to click on this place. You're going to click on this three icon here. So once you click on that three dash, you shrink it back, then you're actually going to zoom it, and you're going to see something like ads manager. Okay, so you're going to click on ads manager, and you're actually going to get into your ads manager dashboard. Simple as ABC. You can see what we are actually seeing right now. So once you do this, then the next thing you want to do right now is wait for your ads manager to, finish loading, like load successfully. Okay, and you can see the amount of campaigns you've been able to create in this ads manager. So the next thing you want to do right now is you want to click on this three dash. You just zoom the screen right now, okay, and click on this place, because if you don't set your payment method, you are in soup. Your ads is not going anywhere. So you click on that three dash, you're just going to click on billing. You can hold it, press it and hold it, and open a new tab, and go to this new tab that you have here. You do understand? Open it, go to it. So once you go to it, then you're actually going to see your payment dashboard. I want to use this as an example to you. See, the reason why you are seeing something like add account disable is, number one, when this person was trying to set up their payment dashboard, they went to go and add their Naira card directly. This is one of the mistakes you don't want to do when you are setting up Facebook ads, especially probably maybe you are in Nigeria or in a country whereby you don't have a particular card that can just be paying directly in USD. Remember, whichever country you are, let's say for instance you are in Nigeria, does not mean that when you pay in Naira, that money is going to get to them in Naira. No, when you pay in Naira on your dashboard there, the money is going to get deposited to them in dollars. So you need a card. If you are adding a card directly without using the Payu payment option, then you need a card that can be able to pay in Naira and also deposit that money to them in dollars. Do you understand? So if you want to be able to pay successfully, try to check another payment option that is available in your country. So for me, I'm in Nigeria. If I click on add fund right now, do you understand? If I click on add fund, you will see something like Payu here. Always choose this Payu. This Payu, whenever you use Payu and you are in Nigeria, this will be able to pay easily, and you'll be able to load the amount you want to use to run ads at once. The amount you pay, the amount you want to load is the amount they will deduct you. You are not paying any tax. Do you understand? So if you need this Payu payment option, chat me in my WhatsApp using the link in the description box below. I will also link a video that shows me paying with this type of Payu payment option, and you can be able to use your phone to do this. I can be able to guide you on how to do this. I can be able to help you create this Payu inside your ads account. I'm not saying it's going to be for free. It's not going to be for free. So let's continue with the second part of this video, which is creating the ads. Okay, I'm not going to add anything here. So let's get on with it. So let me just open this the first tab that I opened, and the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on that, click on the screen. That thing is going to disappear. So the next thing I want to do right now, remember, you can always shrink and zoom. Do you understand? Okay, so I'm going to click on create. You can see the create button. So once I click on create button, I'm going to shrink it. Then the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on traffic. Okay, I'm going to click on traffic. I want to run traffic ads, and the next thing I want to do, you can see this traffic ad. It is good for link clicks, it is good for landing page views, it is good for messenger and WhatsApp, and it is good for calls. So I'm just going to click on continue. Okay, you can see continue here. So once I click on continue, I'm just going to shrink it back so you can see the full view. You can see it right now. This is the same step of trying to run ads on your laptop using your phone, maximizing the ability of your phone. So the next thing you want to do right now is you want to click next in this below icon. You can see this below. Now, for you to be able to see this video very well, I will advise you are watching this video in the full mode, so that this could take up the space in your screen and you can see everything correctly. And as you see me doing on my phone, always make sure you practice it. Share this video to your WhatsApp, download this video on your phone and follow it successfully. You can even put it in a second phone and follow every click. So I'm going to click on next right now. Now don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification icon. So you click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to get to the next page here. Okay, this is not the first page you get to. You can see it here. So now you are actually going to choose the destination. You have to choose the destination for your traffic ad. Okay, now the first one, let me zoom it. The first one we have here, we have website, we have apps, we have messenger, we have WhatsApp, we have calls. Depending on wherever you want to direct your traffic to, then you can select it here. Now if I'm to send traffic to my website, that means I want to get more traffic to my website and make people perform whatever they see on the website and read it and purchase and contact me, whatever I want them to do. So if you want to send it to WhatsApp, you just select this WhatsApp and you select the page. Once you select the page, let's say for instance we have two pages here. If you select this, if I select this first page right now, let me zoom it back. That's the only con to this thing. So once, let's say I selected this thing, I shrink it back, you're going to see something like connected WhatsApp account. You're going to see this number. Okay, so you'll be able to continue with the creation of the ad. So for this, I'm just going to select website. Okay, I'm not running it to WhatsApp. So this website has been selected here. You can see it here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to see something. You're going to see performance goal, and you're going to see maximize number of clicks. You can click on it to check it, maximize number of landing page views. But for this, I'm just going to click on maximize number of clicks. If you are choosing WhatsApp, you could just click on maximize number of conversation started. Do you understand? Don't forget. So for that, you can just click on more options here. Let's see what is going to actually happen. Okay, let's leave this like this. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the daily budget. Now once you go to the daily budget, then the next thing you want to do is on the daily budget, you're actually going to click on this price. Okay, let's say for instance you want to edit it, then you could just input, probably I would just advise you to put maybe like 2,000 naira daily. Okay, just for a starter, for a test, or you get what I'm saying. Shrink it back. Always remember we are shrinking. If you see the screen getting smaller, I'm shrinking it, and you should understand it. If you're an Android user, it's not new. It's not something new. So let's click on show more options here. Let's see what is here. You're going to see ad scheduling. Let's leave that. Let's scroll down. Then in the audience size app, I'm not just going to do much here. You understand? Because I'm actually creating this as showing you how to create these ads. I'm not showing you how to create these ads for a particular business. Okay, now in the audience size, whenever you want to set your audience, you can see something like you can see this place, you can see the location, you can see the age, you can see the gender, you can see the detailed demographics, you can see the language. Okay, and you can see a place whereby they will tell you to save your audience depending on whichever you want to edit. So if I click on edit right now, you can be able to input more location here. Okay, shrink it back. You can type in United States, United Kingdom, and this is actually, let me zoom it. This is actually going to show on the screen, okay? And you can decide to click on the country, shrink it back. Let's shrink it back, and you can see Nigeria and United States being selected. You can see it. Then the next thing you can do right now is go to the age section. See, this is the heart of your advert. If you don't do anything correctly here, if you don't do this thing correctly, you are going to get your ads your ad is going to go to the wrong people. And if your ad go to the wrong people, you are going to waste a lot of money. You are going to waste a lot of money. Do you understand? So in order for you to be able to avoid this kind of thing, you can get in contact with me with the link in the description box, using my number to chat me. You are going to get to my number. I'm confident to leave my link to my number here. Do you understand? You might not even see it during this time, so rush to it, and I will be able to craft out an audience for your specific business. We will sit down, I'll ask the type of business you do, you come to me, I'll craft out an audience for you. I'm not saying it's free. Do you understand? I'm not saying, I'm very plain with my stuff. Do you understand? I'm not saying it's free, but with that audience that I craft for you, and using this video, you'll be able to create a very good video, a very good advertisement that gets in front of your target audience who are desperate to buy your product, services, or whatever. So the next thing I'm just going to do right now is I'm going to click on this age. If I click on this age and click on edit, I can be able to select, let me zoom it, I can be able to select the age. Okay, you get what I'm saying? So probably, let's say I want to choose 25 to 55. Do you understand? Let me shrink it back. Let's say we now go to the gender. I click on the gender, I click on edit, I click on, probably I want to target only men, or if you want to target only women, you click on it. Let's say I want to target all, I click on it. Then the detailed demographics, you click on edit. Then you can be able to input I will not do much on this place. Do you understand? So that you don't just go and copy what you see on the screen and just go and input it to your business, and you not tell me that I copied this thing from the video of this person. I hope to get no. You can contact me on WhatsApp, like I said, or using the link in the description box to get my offer. So the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to scroll down. Let's say you set up your detailed demographics in this place, which is just an example. So the next thing you want to do, you're going to go down. Just click on, you're going to go down, then you're going to see the placement. Now the next thing you want to click on that placement is you want to click on manual placement, which is this. Okay, let's click on the manual placement, and let me shrink it back. Let's scroll down. Then on the devices, you're going to click on these devices. It's very important. You're going to click on edit, and you're going to select the device you want this advert to go. If you want it to show on mobile, tick off desktop. If you want it to show on desktop and mobile, tick on desktop and leave it in both. If you want it to show on only computer, tick off mobile. Do you understand? So for this, we're going to tick on the both. We're going to tick on the both. And for this advert, I'm just going to tick off messenger. I don't want my ad to just go to this app. I'm going to tick off audience network. And if you want your ads to show on Instagram too, fine, but I'm just going to tick off Instagram. I want it to show on only Facebook feed, where you used to see the post of people, which is one of the most engaging place for them to be able to click and read something. Okay, so then I'm going to go down, and on the you're going to see on the placement, I'm going to leave Facebook feed. Very important. I'm going to leave Facebook Marketplace. It's also a feed. I'm going to leave Facebook video feed. It's also the right Facebook column. I'm going to disable it. Okay. Then the Facebook Business Explorer, I'm going to disable it. I don't need it. The stories, I don't even need it. Most of those people just look. So you click on it, tick it off. In-stream ads, tick it off. If you want it to show on people's video, you can leave it, but I'm going to tick it off. I don't need it. It depends on your choice. On the search, I'm going to tick it off. Facebook search is not that accurate. It's not like Google or YouTube. Do you understand? It's not a search engine. It's a social media network. So only search engine are very good in something that is relating to search. Do you understand? Yes, I said so. So I'm just going to go down. I'm going to click on I'm going to shrink it. Let me shrink it for you so you don't get confused. Then I'm going to click on, let me zoom it again. I'm going to click on show more options. You're going to see it here. Let me click on it. Let me shrink it back. Let me scroll down, and you're going to see on the device. Okay, you can click on this device if you want. Let's click on all mobile device, this thing. Then you can decide to target, let me zoom in. You can decide to target only Android users, only Android users or iOS devices only, which is iPhone. I'm just going to leave it at both. Okay, so once that is done, then the next thing I want to do right now is you're going to see specific mobile device, and okay, that is that. Then the next thing you want to do is, you don't want to do anything, then you click on this next button on the screen downward. Okay, so I'm going to click on that next, and you're going to get to the place by which you are going to be setting your Facebook ads creative, the picture, the text, whatever. Do you understand? So for this, so once you see this, then I'm just going to zoom the screen so you can see it. Now you can see on the Facebook page, I have the page selected, which is this. Okay, now on the ad creative, you're going to select manual upload. Okay, now, and as for the format, you can select single image or video. I will advise you to click this. Okay, single image of video, or probably if you want to choose carousel, but just click on single image of video, and you're going to see something like multi-advertiser ads. On this multi-advertiser ads, enabling this might increase your ads exposure to people in a shopping mindset by allowing this ad to appear alongside ads from multiple businesses. You don't need this kind of a thing, because you don't need your adverts to just go and be listed in front of those people whom you are not trying to target. So for me, I just click it off. You can experimentize, like I say. So the next thing you want to do, you want to go to the media section, which is this. So you're going to click on add media. Okay, so you're just going to click on it. You're going to click on either add image or add video, whichever you want to use for this ad. So I'm just going to click on add image. Okay, now there are several images that are being uploaded in this ads account before, which I can choose one. And if you want to upload newly, you can decide to click here on the screen. Okay, then you select the picture from your phone. So I'm just going to select one from here so that everything is just going to be successful and sweet. So you shrink it back. You are going to shrink it back, and you click on this next button here. Be very careful with it on the screen, because the phone screen is a little bit, this place. So I'm just going to click on that next, and I'm going to click on original recommended. Okay, I'm going to click on, make sure your image is always square. Make sure your image is always square. Okay, I'm going to click on next, which you see here, and I'm going to click on done, like you see here. So once that is done, you're going to see the preview of your ad being shown here. Okay, so that is that. Then the next thing you want to do right now is, you're going to see a place. You scroll down, you see a place which is, okay, you're going to see something like the optimization of your picture. You can click on edit again. Okay, then you click on this place to optimize your picture. This thing, you toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, then you are going to apply that standard enhancement. Then you click on that done, that save. Okay, once you click on save, then you're going to see something here, fully optimized. Your picture is fully optimized for people to be able to click faster. Okay, then on this primary test, where you're going to be inputting the test of your ads, I'm just going to put anything here. You get what I'm saying? So let me just try to input something here. Welcome to my page. We sell affordable shoes in Nigeria. Okay, So that is just it. Then I'm just going to leave that, and I'm going to edit the text. I actually use the voice to input my text there. So if you're good in voice, you could put that in, but just type in whatever you want to do here. So you're going to say, welcome to my page. We sell affordable shoes in Nigeria. That is just what I want. It's an example. For me to craft, I do copywriting. I know what to do there. So I just want to use this as an example to make the video snap. It's getting too long, so I'm just going to shrink it back. You are going to see the text here being shown here. Do you understand? Let me zoom it. You can see the preview of your ads. If you like it, then you go on with it. Then on the headline, you're going to see this place. Let me zoom it. Okay, you're going to see the you're just going to tick it off. You're going to click on, you're going to type in shop with us today at 10% discount. Okay, so you can see that. Let me just type in, let me clear off this. Okay, I made the mistake there. Okay, so you can see that. Then let's go back to the ads. You're actually going to see it here. Okay, you can see it there. And the next thing you want to do right now is you want to zoom it back. You want to go down. In the description, you can choose to put something there. Do something there. Click the link above to shop today, and you will never regret it. I just use that as an example. Remember, you can click on this. Click the link above to shop today, and you'll never regret it. Okay, so everything is being updated, and the next thing you want to do right now is you want to zoom the screen, and you want to go to the call to action. This is the call to action. Now when I click on the call to action, then I can decide to edit my call to action. If the button that is going to be showing is download, get offer, get promotions, get show times, learn more, order now, get access. But what I'm actually going to click on is order now. Okay, because that is actually what goes with my stuff, and you're going to see it here showing in the preview of this ad. You get what I'm saying? Let's get on with it. So let's go back to that page, that place. Then you're actually going to see something like below it, you're going to see destination. Okay, now this is where I'm going to input the address of my website. So let me just input the address, an example of my address. I'll just click on, this is not my website too, just want to input it, ayo.com/offer. okay, let me edit it, offer. So once you are sure that this thing is correct, you can click here to preview your URL. Do you understand? This is going to open another page. You are going to see, but this website is not real. You're going to even see here, if you input the wrong website, I even did this intentionally. If you input the wrong website, you're going to see something being told to you on the screen above this your ad preview, that ad must not direct people to non-functional landing page. This include content that interferes with a person's ability to do blah 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 blah. You get what I'm saying? So make sure that you input the correct website every single time. Okay, then the next thing you want to do right now, once you put in a very functional website, then the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to see something like browser add-ons. Okay, so you can decide to choose a kind of button that can be attached to your website. Do you understand? That is going to be attached to your website, and people can be able to go to your website and get an additional button below that can direct them to your call, to your WhatsApp, to your Facebook event, to your phone call, and so much and so forth. So I'm just going to click on WhatsApp. Okay, so once I click on WhatsApp, then I'm just going to go down, and once I get down, I'm just going to click on publish. Once I click on publish, this advert is going to be submitted for review, and once the advert is reviewed, then your ad is going to run. If you have any question, drop in the comment section, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.